Welcome to Foxtecc. Here we talk about all things tech related. Today we're diving into the topic of Apple's iMessage, and let's take a closer look at the possibility of changing backgrounds behind text bubbles. I know a lot of people are interested in this, but we can only do what's possible. When it comes to customization, Apple's ecosystem has its limitations. As many of us know, they tend to keep things very tightly controlled. So the short answer is no, you can't directly change the background behind text bubbles in iMessage. However, with iOS 18 on the horizon, who knows what new features may emerge? We're pretty close. Some AI features are on the way, so I'm personally excited. But anyway, there's a way that might at least get somewhat close to what we're trying to achieve here in terms of customization. By downloading third-party apps like the super messaging one, you can add a personal touch to your messages. This app is available on the App Store, just like usual, and it allows you to create custom stickers resembling text bubbles, injecting a bit of flair into your conversations. Here's how it works. Open up your Messages app and navigate to the conversation where you want to add some spice. Next, tap on the plus icon located next to the text field. Scroll through your list of apps until you find Super Messaging. Once selected, type in your message and start customizing. With Super Messaging, it is completely up to you in terms of customization. Choose from a variety of styles, colors, and fonts, whatever you feel like sending to make your message stand out. Get creative, and sometimes you can replace your usual text with something more interesting. So that would be a tip from me. And there you go. While Apple may not offer native background customization in iMessage, there's always a workaround to explore, to make sure you can do at least something, right? If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.